Hello. Today we are looking at how to install LazPaint on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the About Chrome OS section on the left panel. Under the Developers section, choose to set Linux up. Turn on Linux. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install the application. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will update our Linux apps repositories. Press Enter. Now we will install the application. Press Enter to confirm the installation. The application is now installed on your Chromebook. Let's launch it. Enjoy! All content which you want to use in the application must be in your Linux files in your file manager.